Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to fix ghost touch issues in iPhone. So what is ghost touch? Ghost touch is when your apps get started automatically or the screen keeps on scrolling or shifting its place. So this is what is ghost touch. Now you can recover it by 3 simple ways. So let us see the first way, that is you have to restart your phone, for which you have to press on the volume up and down button and then release them and then quickly press on the side button till the Apple logo appears. So this will force restart your phone. By this method you can do all the restart of the phone, be it any series or edition. The second way is reset your phone, for which you have to go to settings and scroll down to general. After which you have to scroll down to the very end and select transfer and reset iPhone. Where you have to click on reset and then you can select whichever option you want to reset. This will resolve the issue that is going through. Now the third way is that you can update your phone to the latest version, for which again you have to tap on general and select software update and update your phone to the most recent updates which are available, and this will reduce the problem that is being faced. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.